Hello everyone. Today I will be walking you through the introduction to SQL. So what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it lets you access and manipulate your data database. So usually what happens is SQL is a language which is helping you to query your data from the database. So when you write a statement, as you can see here, I have written select star from employee. So it communicates with your Oracle server, and the data which is stored in Oracle server, that is the employee related data, is retrieved. And SQL is also ANSI standard, follows the ANSI standard, and it is a standard language for querying most of the relational databases. So SQL has a few statements that it used to retrieve, manipulate the data, and SQL has some advantages as it is very efficient and it is easy to learn and use. And functionally, it is complete. Why functionally it is complete? If you see in here in SQL statement, there are statements which help you retrieve the data, manipulate the data, define the data. So overall all the functionality needed is present. So that's why it is functionally complete. So I'll just quickly walk you through the statements. Select it comes in the data retrieval statement. So select helps you retrieve the data. Insert, update, delete, and merge, that helps you manipulate the data. If you want to add some data, or if you want to make some changes to the data, or you want to delete something, that is done through your data manipulation language. And data definition language, it is more towards creating the data, or creating a table, or creating a view. So and altering a table or a view or any object, and dropping, renaming, or truncating any of the database objects. And transaction control helps you the changes that you make to commit the changes, to roll back the changes, and save point. So we have grant and revoke, that is the data control language. How to
Let's learn about select statement in more details. The select statement starts with the keyword select. Select is the word which tells you which column you want to select. Then we give a star. Star indicates I want all the columns. Then from keyword tells you which table you want to select from. So I'll do employee and the semicolon to end the statement. And the SQL statements are not case sensitive. As you see that I have selected the employee table, and here you see that the data in the column and row format. The columns are employee number, e-name, job, manager, hire date, and the row of data of each employee, if you can see. And each employee is identified with an employee number. We'll talk more about it in our further videos. So as we have placed a star here, star means select all the columns. If I go ahead and just say I want employee number and e-name, so it would select only those two columns for me. So select tells you which columns to select, and from tells you which table you want to select from. Suppose you want to know how many job types are there in the employee table. you see that there are many job types which are repetitive. That's because of the data we have in multiple rows. Many employees having same job title. So in order to know how many in total job titles are there, removing the duplicates, you can just add a keyword called distinct. That lets you get the distinct job titles that we have in our employee table. So distinct is the keyword for that. Similarly, you can use an alias, say JB, for the column job. So if you see here, the column name has changed. This aliases are very important when we go further and learn about joins in our further videos. So when we give an alias, it just displays the column name as JB, but it doesn't change it on the back in the database. This aliases are just for display purposes and for shortening the name wherever necessary for the ease of writing the queries. So this is all about the select statement. We will deep dive more in the further videos. If you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching the video.